Hi everyone.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another Pokemon Generations Booster Pack opening. If I am keeping track, this is my 15th Generations pack, so let's dig in. I think I am looking for a Flareon EX foil from the Radiant collection. I have the full art version, I just need the regular foil version of it. Let's see if we can get it. Alright. Okay, so here I have Wobbuffet, Pokemon Fan Club, Imakuni. This is the first time I get this card. Your active Pokemon is now confused. This is a very pointless card. Somebody let me know how this card has any use. I remember seeing this card in the Pokemon trading card game, video game for the Game Boy Color that I used to play back in middle school. But it's cool that they reprinted this in English. Very nice to see. Ponyta, Diglett, Grass Energy, Shelter. Reverse foil is Max Revive Uncommon. For the Radiant Collection card, Yveltal, just a Uncommon. Okay, and for the rare card, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I slipped. Ooh, yes! Blastoise EX. Hyper Whirlpool does 60 damage. Flip a coin. If heads, discard an energy card attached to your opponent's active Pokemon. Hydro Press, 100 damage. This attack does 20 damage to one of your opponent's benched Pokemon. Don't apply weakness and resistance for benched Pokemon. 180 HP. Very cool. I pulled a Mega Blastoise EX a little while back, and now I have the regular Blastoise EX to go with it. Awesome. Okay, that'll do it for this Generations pack opening. I'll see you guys next time. But until then, thanks for watching. Take care. I also want to point this out before I close the video. I got a Blastoise foil in a Blastoise pack. Very coincidental.